Hey guys, welcome back. So OnePlus will be announcing two flagship smartphones next year, the standard OnePlus 10 and OnePlus 10 Pro. The Pro variant will get top of the line features, whereas the standard will get important upgrades over the last gen OnePlus 9 series. So in this video, we'll talk about OnePlus 10 Pro's features which have been leaked and launch month of the phone. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get daily new updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. Now starting off with the display, some reports have suggested that the phone might come with an upgraded E5 AMOLED panel by Samsung, and this is an LTPO display with variable refresh rate, which means it will consume less power than the regular 120Hz display. It will be a 6.7-inch large curved display with 1440p resolution like we have seen on the OnePlus 9 Pro. The display will be the best in the market right now. The viewing angles, bright colors and sharp picture quality will make this phone pretty smooth. Talking about the performance, OnePlus might use the latest upcoming high-end CPU from Qualcomm, Snapdragon 898. This chipset is based on 4nm fabrication, which means less power consumption and less heat generation. OnePlus 10 Pro will provide the best experience in the gaming section because the Snapdragon 898 will use Adreno 730 GPU, where the Qualcomm has jumped from Adreno 600 series to 700 series GPU, so it can be assumed that the phone can handle heavy games very easily like Call of Duty. On the other hand, the smartphone have a triple camera setup on the back in a square type camera housing. This time it is getting a new 13MP periscope zoom lens which can achieve up to 5x lossless zoom. The primary shooter will be a 108MP sensor with optical image stabilization, where it can record 8K video at 30 FPS. The last sensor will be a 50MP ultra wide. On the front of the phone there will be a 16MP bionic T lens for the selfie shooter in a tiny punch hole cutout. This time Hasselblad is not only helping to improve the color accuracy, but they are also helping the company in the camera hardware. OnePlus is also testing new higher capacity of batteries for better backup, and if everything goes right, we will see OnePlus flagship smartphones with massive 5000 mAh battery with latest 65W fast wired charging and 50W wireless charging support. So looks like OnePlus is really stepping up their game for the premium flagship market, but to see the actual performance of the device, we have to wait until the last week of January 2022. Yeah guys, OnePlus is planning to launch these smartphones as soon as possible in Jan last week or in the first week of Feb next year. So that is it in this video guys. If you have any question related to this smartphone, do let me know in the comment section, and if you enjoy watching this video, give a like and subscribe to the channel to get regular updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.